Just a little extra video for you, showing you a cool idea I got. This is decoration from a Christmas table, or real life. And I figured out that if you take these and you stuff them in like this, and then turn it around, then you have a tiny chair for a 1 to 144 dollhouse, or a tiny seat, or what you call it. So you can place them like this. And this is just the snowflake. You can also put the back one here upside. Take a tiny scissor, cut the one in front here off. Just trying to do that here on camera. There we go. Maybe do it a little more neat than the scissor did. And bend the rest of these down. The other two. And then you have a tiny chair with a back backrest on it. So that's another way to do it. But these are actually the perfect size for a chair in 1 to 144. So I just wanted to show you that little idea, and I'm just making them of these snowflakes for the Christmas table. Decoration for the Christmas table. So save these and use them for your 1 to 144 dollhouse. Thank you for watching and happy crafting.